Okay, for today, we are going to demonstrate on how to insert a page break. First, go to Microsoft Word. Open the document and then click blank document. After clicking the blank document, you are now ready to insert a page break. In here, there is instruction to insert page break. So we are going to insert page break here. First, you need to choose the section that you want to insert page break and go to insert tab. Under this section, this ribbon, you click page break. There you have it. And we will insert a page break here. Again, go to insert, then click page break. For example, in here, we are going to create we are going to insert another page break. Again, go to insert tab and click page break. Next, how to adjust page break. In order to adjust a page break, just click Layout tab. Under Layout tab, just go to the ribbon under Paragraph ribbon. So you click the arrow down there in Paragraph Settings, click Line and Page Breaks, and check whatever you want to customize and click OK. And lastly, how to delete an inserted page break. All you need to do is just go to Home tab and click the Velcro button here. And then, as you can see, the page break notification there, highlight it, and then click delete. Another, highlight the page break notification, then click delete. Another here, highlights and delete. Then, again, click the Velcro button. So that's it.